What's going on, guys? uh, I have a connection to my slackware machine here, and it's missing VLC, the famous application. I wanted to install it, and I didn't want to do it without sharing it with you, although this time I'm gonna simply install it from another piece of software which is responsible on doing the installation for me, which is SBO UI. Other alternatives do exist, like slapped SRC, which is the Slack build manager for Salix OS. You have also SBO PKG or SBO package, etc. If you can also have Slack package plus working, you can simply install it from there. And you have also the Slack build manual method, the traditional one without the need for any helper to do the installation. However, if you got intimidated by the dependencies, you can simply go to SBO UI. You can also install SBO UI yourself, and you need to do it before proceeding with the installation of VLC. Let's see if we can find it in slapped SRC VLC. Yes, that's an option. You click, or you can type here Y to proceed. I'm not gonna do it. I just wanted to show you how it would look like. For SBO UI, here it is, VLC. This one, I press a tab to move to it. We select install. The packages that still do not exist for the dependencies, I mean the dependency packages, if they are not installed, they will be labeled here as install, and they will install in order to have VLC working for you. Let's quit out of there, and let me show you for SBO package. Let's search. Of course, for all these pieces of software that are responsible on managing packages, you are supposed to sync them from time to time, as long as you think there are some new versions, in order to have the newer versions installed on your system. Let's look here for VLC. Here it found it, and we should go to process here, and it should install for us. After showing you all of this, I think I'm gonna go with slapped SRC, since it is more likely to skip any compilation by replacing it with the binary packages. So I'm gonna install it through slapped SRC like this, VLC, Y, and enter here. I have an error in the installation of one of the dependencies of VLC. It's sid play libs. So I'm gonna try to install it from a different source, which is pkgs or packages.org. I believe this is the package that we need here. I will just download it from here and install it manually and see if it can solve our issue. Copy and paste the link of the download. Okay, install package lib sid play 2, and then we try again to install VLC. Let's press Y and see if the error is still there or is gone. I waited for all the dependencies to install, and now it's installing VLC. The thing is, it's installing it from the source, which means it's gonna compile it. As you can see, the compilation is happening. I don't want that to happen. This video has become a mess. I need to cancel the installation, and I'ma look for a package that's binary and doesn't require me to compile from source. So I will use here packages or pkgs.org. We're supposed to find a port of VLC for slackware 15, and as you can see there is one here. Let me look for the download link, which is here, and we're gonna simply copy it and paste it and install from it. Clear. We can try to run VLC, and you can see that it doesn't exist, to prove that it's still not installed yet. And now we paste the link here. The package is not, as I guess. That's why I don't think it's a good idea to install it from source code. It will take so long to finish the compilation, aside from the system, which is gonna be under heavy load. Let's install VLC here. If you want to install it from if you want to use a method that resolves the dependencies for you, which may be so many and some of them depend on other packages, you may need to use a third-party tool like SBO package, SBO PKG, or SBO UI or slapped SRC. You need to be careful with it. Let's try to run VLC, and you can see that it works. This is the CLI version. It has two versions, one CLI, one GUI, which is the one that you run from the display server that you have. I'm signing out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and see you.